Alright guys, quick pocket dump Saturday afternoon with the Greek church. That's that thing over there. We'll have a look at that, quick look at that in a moment. Let's see what's in the pockets. Alright, as usual, I normally forget this stuff that's on my keychain. We've got the Tucson little tool here, and we've got a nice screw pop, very thin, super thin utility blade here. Yeah, pretty cool. I like this thing. Don't even know it's on the keychain. Awesome. Alright, left pocket, something different here. We've got the Milwaukee Fastback, and carrying this today because I need the Phillips screwdriver. Some little jobs I've been doing in the van. Alright, that's got a liner lock on that, and it's got a button operated blade. There we go. It really works good, but not from behind the camera it doesn't. Alright, there we go. Works pretty awesome actually. Great little utility blade if you do a lot of work with such devices. Handy pocket clip, easy to carry, easy to EDC. So we got that thing, stick that there. And in my other right pocket, that's in my right pocket, we got a fixed blade here. This one's one of the Ozark trails. Yeah, this is a half serrated drop point, nice wedge on it. Awesome little full tang fixed blade for under $6. Can't go wrong. Right, so we got that. And in my left pocket we've got this little flipper from Sencut, and I think this one's the Honoris. Beautiful wood scales on it, nice drop point, super pokey and razor blade sharp. Yeah, real nice. I like that one a lot. So we got that, and we've got our little beauty here from Wright & Son with oak scales, made in England, Sheffield. There we go, beautiful clip point, little ball over there. Really, that's all you need as a pocket knife for most things, but I like knives, so I like to carry more than one option, just like a golfer carries more than one golf club. Anyway, that's it, that's what I'm carrying. Let's take a quick look around part of the church if you want to. If not, adios, catch you later.